no flavor in food without saliva. We need saliva to taste our food. Once the chemicals in the food are dissolved, they can be detected by receptors in our taste buds. Secondly, the human brain has the capacity to generate the 23 watts of power. Now my question is, how many power of generate the human brain? 23 watts. Thank you very much.
26 as a dividend and 3 as a divisor. We are going to do a very simple method. Draw one table like this. Put digits are here, like we have a 4, after that 2, after that 6. Now we will make 4 lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make group of 3, because we have a divisor as a 3 as a divisor. Now make a group of 3. 1 is remainder, then we will write here. Now we have a 12 here. Draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make again group of 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now here not any remainder is here. After that we have a 6. Draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again make groups of 3 because we have a 3 as a divisor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now count the groups and write here as a quotient as answer. Now we have a 1 group is here. Write down 1. In next line 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are here. Write here 4. In next line 1, 2. We have a 2 groups. The answer is 142.
बच्चे अज आप जी के इतिहास की सेवा ते कुर्बानी की अदुੱਤੀ मिसाल की घटना साका पंजा साहिब सांझी करने जा रहा है। साका पंजा साहिब जिहड़ी की घटना पंजा साहिब नाल संबंधित है, जिथे कि गुरु नानक देव जी ने पंजा ला के पत्थर नूं रोकिया सी। ये अजकल गुरुद्वारा साहिब पाकिस्तान दे विच है, ये हसन अवतार रेलवे स्टेशन के कोल है। ये साका पंजा साहिब नाल इसलिए संबंधित है क्योंकि ये घटना पंजा साहिब की संगत के नाल वापरिया सी।